Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking to strengthen your hand or maybe your forearms. And that is because it is a grip strengthening whole entire set here. This thing is pretty cool. So this was sent over by a company called ZEAGUS, and you're gonna get a ton of parts and pieces. So let's go over everything you're gonna get. So first off, you're gonna get these three little round discs here. These are grip strengtheners. So essentially you're just going to squeeze them, and they're gonna come in a lot of different sizes. So on the lowest end here, you're gonna have the green one, which is a 10 pound, very easy to squeeze. And then if you rotate it, it's now a 20 pound. So they're really cleverly designed. Then you got the blue one here that is got 30 pounds and then 40 pounds, and then the black one here is 50 pounds and 60 pounds. And you can tell which direction they are because they have this nice textured in the one way and then a smoother section on the other side. Very comfortable, easy to hold in your hand. Now, then if you are looking to strengthen your fingers themselves, they're gonna give these little kind of elastic rubber band pieces here. You're gonna have an 8.8, you're going to have 11 pound, and then you're gonna have the lighter one, which is 6.6 pounds. And these are gonna have lots of different workouts. So first off, you can just kind of stretch out your fingers, or you can just put kind of two of them in and do like the point and touch strength. You can even utilize another finger and kind of hold it and then pull away so it kind of stretches out. Different exercises that you want. Now, both of these sets, the round ones and the finger pulls, are made out of a nice, strong silicone rubber that's very, very elastic, so you don't have to worry about them breaking on you or anything like that. Also very lightweight and easy to bring. So as you progress with this, which is what's great about this set, is it's gonna have all the various different sizes. So as you progress, you can bring them with you, whether you're going to the office and you're wanting to fidget around while you are working, or maybe you're on a phone call or you're traveling, you can bring these around. They're very lightweight. Then finally, you're gonna have the actual gripping ones here. This is gonna be a great workout for your forearm, your hands, because you're really pulling on all these muscles as you are squeezing it with your hands. And these, as you can tell, are made out of a nice, solid aluminum here. It has the optional kind of little foam inserts here that makes it more comfortable to hold, but if you don't like those, it does have these solid kind of textured part here, so that way it'll keep in your hands and won't be sliding or anything like that. You don't have to worry about these breaking. There's no little parts or pieces or anything like that. It's just a nice little coil here, and depending on how the coil is wound, depends on how strong they are. So the strongest one is 200 pounds. You have a 100 pound one, then you have a 50 pound, and then also 150 pounds. So lots of options, once again, to go with these as well. But overall, like I said, this is an absolutely perfect set. You get a little bit of everything with it, and it's very easy to grow with you as you are getting stronger. So if you're in the market and you're looking to strengthen your grip, strengthen your fingers, strengthen your forearms, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.